Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo? Where you at?
What up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, back again with another video. I did just wake up. Y'all probably see it in my eyes. Just opened my eyes not too long ago. And it's still cold, wet, and rainy outside. But I had to bring y'all another video today. Today's video, a lot of y'all have been asking about this, wondering what happened to it, what's up with it. Well, bow. It is almost time to recommence the project to get this thing back to life. For y'all that don't know, this is the car that started the channel. The last work I did on this, I pretty much replaced the entire timing chain assembly and all of that. It didn't fix the issue that I was having, so I'm gonna have to go a different route. Either order another engine or LS swap it. Y'all know we just, we're finishing up on the vet right now, so we're gonna need something else to take up the space as far as content goes, and this would be the perfect contender contestant too. Inside is nothing but parts, headlights, front bumper stuff, grills, the stuff from the timing chain job and all of that. It is a 6-speed manual, you know what I'm saying? But it has been abandoned, so we're coming to show love to it. I'm kind of curious to know if this thing actually still runs. Battery came back on, we did see sparks. Battery is still alive. Make sure it's oil running, guys. What we start with. Oh yeah, we definitely still got oil in this bad boy too. That thing down in there. Yo, these VQ oil dipsticks suck. I can't stand them. I hate them, but let's see.
Hi.
If it's unlock button. I'm not hearing anything. I tell y'all what, we're gonna try to start it, see if it fires up anyway. We got the interior security light, so it's not firing up. For those that know, that's the vehicle anti-theft system. When you crank it and it illuminates red, so you know that it's engaged and it's not going to start the car. So I did bring my laptop. Let me grab that and see if I can alter that and change that. All right, y'all, so we got all the way over here just to realize that I didn't bring the dongle to connect to the OBD2 port so I can reprogram the key to it. So we won't be getting any sound clips today. However, like I said, this is my baby. This is my first sports car. This is the car that started everything mechanical, you know, really me getting hands-on. I worked on the cars I had previously, but this was the one that I actually took serious. I have a lot of money put into this, so the last thing I need to do is just sit down and let it rot. But, you know, there's videos on the channel from us doing the, I don't know if y'all can see, suede headliner up top is still hanging in there. Don't know how, but it is. You know what I'm saying? I didn't pay for this. This came with it, but that actually needs to be adjusted. Can y'all hear that? Let's see. It's gonna tell us the mileage. It's 172,000 miles on it. A lot of miles on this. Like I said, I'm making the conscious effort, or I'm gonna attempt to go ahead and just LS swap. And I think that's the route that we're gonna go with this. So hopefully we can get a couple brands on board to assist out with the process that will make this go a lot faster, a lot more smoother too. Hopefully that's the case, but if not, you know, we'll still piece it together like we did the vet. But yeah, man, this is my baby. I've had this car since I think it was around 2019 or 2020. It was somewhere around COVID when I bought this. Let me turn it off. The ECU is tripping too. That's why when I turned the key on, the windshield wiper started going, I swapped the ECU in this, and then that's when it started to make all these electrical demons issues come alive. But yeah, man, we're gonna LS swap this bad boy. Let's go around and give y'all the overview of the car. Did I mention it's cold outside, y'all? It's cold as crap. Aside from the aesthetic things, you know, this A-pillar that's notorious for missing on these G35s, that is missing, so we'll have to get another one of those. You see the clear coat is peeling, so there's nothing really you can do about that, really, other than garage keep it, and I didn't have a garage to put it in. So outside of that, paint peelage, exhaust, we had a full Z1 exhaust on it, which I'll probably reuse with the swap if everything goes according to plan. We had drilled and slotted rotors all the way around. And like I said, this VQ, it served its purpose, but I do think it's time to swap. I think a V8 in this would be pretty cool. It's another thing I said that I've always wanted to do, so to actually do it and to make it come alive what really moved me, you know what I'm saying? So I think that is the route that we're gonna go. I'm gonna go ahead and source out parts. We do need to get this moved, so that's the whole point of today. I just came to assess what is needed. Need to bring my air compressor out, pump the tires up, they're all flat. So we're gonna get this project going here shortly, here real soon. And I know a lot of y'all been waiting on this. Like I said, it's been years. This when I started my YouTube channel, this is the one that did it. So hopefully within the next couple months, we'll get this snatched out and put back in. As far as the motor that's in here, it runs. It's just, there's an internal check engine light for P0379. I'm guessing, I'm not sure if that's it. That was a guess. But that code has been preventing me from driving it. I couldn't get it registered, couldn't get it titled or anything like that. So because of that, it's been sitting. But like I said, it's no more neglecting, none of that. Hold me to it. I'm gonna get this thing going here shortly, here soon. I would like to see some suggestions though. Do y'all think this is something that we can get done? Do you think that we should keep the VQ and just go with a different engine? Do you think that we should? What should we do? What y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that's pretty much what this video is all about. Nothing too crazy, nothing too strenuous. From here, I'm gonna go leave and work on the Dodge pickup truck. I am selling that. I'm getting rid of that. Didn't really do what I needed to do as far as the channel, and I don't need another piece of crap that barely runs. So I am selling that. It's gonna be for sale. I'll probably put it in one of my videos, listed on Marketplace and everything, but I am getting rid of that too. Just so we can make room for this and have the funds to get started on the swap. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's all this video is about today. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Sorry I couldn't get a sound clip for y'all. So because I couldn't, I'm gonna go borrow another sound clip from a couple months ago, probably a couple years ago, of this cold started, and I'll put it right here so y'all hear what that bad boy sound like. This hurts my feelings. It's nothing but cobwebs. I'm sure there's probably a rat or two that's gotten in here. I'm sure that there's wires chewed up. All right, y'all, I told a story. I said we were done, we not. We're actually at the Dodge Dakota that I was talking about. This is the one we're gonna get ready to sell. I did buy a camera, bought a camera. So we are gonna pop spark plugs out, look down at each cylinder on this driver's side and see what we can find, because there is a knock. I'm hoping it's something simple. I can't verify it yet, so we're about to attempt to verify it. So let's get into it. We are going to go ahead and fire it up just to see which side it's coming from. I do believe it's the driver's side, but I do want to fire it. So I lied. I also don't have the key to the truck. We are unprepared today. I guess today is just one of them days, man. But even though we don't have it, I'm still gonna go ahead and pop these out just on the driver's side and see if we can figure out anything in this short amount of time. So let's do it. All right, y'all, so we got all these spark plugs out, and we're finna go into cylinder number 1, see what we can find. Hopefully we got some good news. We do know that the motor still turns, so if it is scored, you know, we still kind of SOL, but at least it's not completely blown. If somebody wanted to possibly rebuild it. So we down in the cylinder. Those cylinder walls do not look too good, in all honesty. Okay, so cylinder number 1. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but y'all can see it is severely miscolored. Folks, I'm not sure if this is a hole in the block or not, but it kind of looks like a hole. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. So you can actually see the valve open on this one, which is actually regular. Unless it's stuck and sticking, it's been tipping and tapping the piston. which I'm trying to get a better view of, but I can't seem to. Camera doesn't want to cooperate. All right, y'all, so the valve was open on cylinder number, cylinder number 4 was wide open. I don't have anything to turn the engine on me at the moment, and if I had the key, I could bump it to C, but I don't have the key, so I can't bump it to C. And until then, we're kind of at a standstill for the moment. So what I am gonna do is go ahead and drop the spark plugs back in. I'm not gonna tighten them down, just drop them back in so I don't lose them, and then cover this bad boy back up and call it a night. I think it's about, let me check, I want to be right. Yeah, it's currently, y'all see that, 44 degrees, so it's cold as crap, man. I can't feel my freaking hands. I got my truck running in the background, and I keep popping between recording and then in the truck, and then recording and then in the truck, because it's so freaking cold, man. But we finna wrap it up. Drop these spark plugs back in, cover the motor up, and then when we come back out, maybe next weekend, maybe tomorrow, maybe during the week, I will have a basis to start from. But yeah, man, that's all I got for y'all. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. And this your boy J-Lo signing off this guy. Peace.
Hey, so make 'em run it back.